We are currently in Krakow, where a new passenger stop is being built on railway line number 95 in Przylasek-Grusiecki. My name is Sebastian Aglasz and I am the site manager for the Kraków-Przylasek passenger stop construction project. The implementation of the project will increase the local community's access to rail transport, which is particularly important in the location where we are, close to Przylasek-Grusiecki. Swimming pool resorts were frequented by many residents, the local communities.
This project is not only important for this region, but for whole Poland, because in Poland we don't have any big experience with slab tracks. For us, this is the first time that we are making installation of 300 fastening system in Poland. The biggest challenge was the time. We have the problems to have not so much time to make the installation, to get all the approvals for fastening systems, also for the plates which are installed on this track, and I think this was the biggest problem for us. We solved this problem together with our colleagues from POR, but also with our colleagues from Verdol, which have given us big support, and we are able to do everything in time. We offer system 300 with our new M3 tension clamp, which is our newest innovation. And we solve the future problems already today with the new design and the geometry of the M-clip. The new design is the reason for higher natural frequency and also gave us the better track stability.
The project started in September 2023 and is expected to be completed at the end of 2024.
With our system 303, not only the technical features are outstanding. Outstanding are also our sustainable features. The CO2 footprint has been halved. The transportation costs have been improved, and also the handling inside the sleeper plant and also on track have been a lot simplified.
Postloch was chosen as our partner for this task because of its good cooperation to date in launching our innovative systems in various markets throughout Europe and also the whole world. And because like a POR, it's a leader in introducing modern technology to the railway market.